है 7, चैप्टर है सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर है 1 द बिग स्टेट्स। आपका ये रिवीजन चैप्टर है, ठीक है। फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आपको रिवीजन वापस करवाऊंगी जो आपको करना है। नंबर आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस, एक्सरसाइज के आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस करवा रही हूँ जो आपको करने हैं। नंबर 1 स्टडी द मैप्स ऑफ द स्टेट्स ऑफ हर्ष एंड पुलकेशी टू एंड नोट डाउन द मेजर सिटीज़ एंड रिवर्स। इसका आंसर आएगा द चीफ टाउन्स इन द प्रोविंस ऑफ हर्ष एंड पुलकेशी टू वेर नोज भूटान, बांग्लादेश, वल्भी, पालवा, कलिंगा, चौला, चेरा, etc. While the main rivers in their province were the Narmada, Krishna, Godavari, Maha, Brahmaputra, Jamuna, etc. Next number 2 है What was the difference between Pulkeshi 2 and Harsh personalities? दोनों की personalities में क्या difference है? पुलकेशी 2 एंड हर्ष वेर इक्वली पावरफुल, दोनों सेम पावरफुल थे, मीन्स दोनों इक्वली थे। बोथ ऑफ देम वेर वेलियंट एंड ब्रेव वॉरियर्स। हर्ष लुक आफ्टर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ हिज स्टेट हिमसेल्फ। ही हैड सेट हिज रूटीन इन सच अ वे दैट द कुड स्पेयर मोस्ट ऑफ हिज टाइम in public welfare and religious activities. He was just in administration and regular in carrying out his duties. He never fell short in executing good deeds. He had put a ban on the killing of living creatures. He was a great donor. He collected revenue in very small amount. Harsh felt contented after winning a few battles and turned towards acts of public welfare. While Pulkeshi II could not put curb on his craze of battles and died while fighting in a battle. Next question number 3 है why did Yun Sang carry books, relics and statues back with him to China? तो आंसर आएगा Yun Singh was greatly curious to learn about Buddha religion, therefore he had come to India all the way from China, overcoming all the hurdles that came his way. He did not care for impassable ways, chilling, cold, terrible heat or heavy rain. He had heard a lot about India, but when he himself observed, he could find much more spiritual prosperity, economic prosperity, knowledge prosperity in India. Yun Sang stayed in Nalanda for 5 long years and studied there. He toured many different ancient towns and centers of education. He wanted to present a glimpse of Indian knowledge and culture after going back to his country. Therefore, he carried with him a number of books, relics and statue bags with him to China. Next question number 4 है whom did Harsh think of freeing after ascending the throne? तो आंसर आएगा when Harshvardhan came to the throne of Thaneshwar, his sister Rajashri has been captivated by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. As soon as he came to power, he decided to get his sister Rajashri freed from the prison of Devgupta. Next question number 5 है Name the plays written by Emperor Harshvardhan. तो आंसर आएगा Emperor Harshvardhan was a man in literature. He composed 3 plays named Nagananda, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. Next number 6 है which caves were constructed during Pulkeshi II's reign? Pulkeshi II was fond of art in the period of Pulkeshi II. The caves of Vatapi and Dharapuri could constructed the world famous wall painting of the caves of Ajanta were made during that period. Next है डिस्कस करना है आपको वाई वॉज हर्ष नॉट एबल टू डिफीट पुलकेशिटू. तो आंसर आएगा पुलकेशिटू वॉज अ पावरफुल किंग. ही वॉज अ वेरी वेलियंट एंड ब्रेव वॉरियर. ही हैड वन मैनी बैटल्स बाय guerrilla system. Therefore Harsh could not defeat Pulkeshi. 2. Who next number 2, who was better king, Harsh or Pulkeshi? To give reasons. Harshvardhan was a better ruler because he looked after the entire administration system himself. He had split his daily routine in 3 parts. First part was for administration and 2 other parts were allotted for public welfare and religious act. He took different parts of his state to observe the administration. He was just in administration and regular in carrying out his duties. He even forgot his meals, being engaged in acts for the good of people. Next question number 3 है why was there war between Harsh and Pulkeshi? Why did they not wage war again? तो आंसर आएगा इन दिस डेज किंग्स फॉट फॉर एक्सटेंडिंग द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ देयर एम्पायर्स. दे टुक प्राउड इन इट. द ब्रेवरी ऑफ द किंग्स कुड बी सीन ओनली ऑन द बैटल फील्ड्स. Harsh and Pulkeshi both wanted to expand their empires. Therefore they fought. Harsh was religious minded. He decided not to fight more wars after winning a few ones. It is possible that for this reason, no more wars took place between them. Next question number 4. What are the difference between present day universities and Nalanda universities? Answer आएगा to get admission in Nalanda University, the aspirants he had to go through entrance tests. While in the educational centers, admissions are sought on the basis of scoring of marks. A student could stay and study in Nalanda University. The facility of boarding and lodging and studying in Nalanda University was just free of charge for the maintenance of Nalanda University. King Harshvardhan had donated 100 villages. Today some educational institutions are run by government, a few more are run by the grant they receive, and some more are conducted by private trust. In government schools, students can study free of charge in Nalanda University. They had a prosperous library for reading and references. Such as prosperous libraries are not found in present day educational institutions. Besides, learned and expert teachers and principals stay in the campus. Nalanda University today we hardly find such educational centers with boarding and lodging facility. ये आपका क्या हो गया? आपको डिस्कस मैंने जो दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है वो बताया है. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैं इसके जो पॉइंट टू पॉइंट क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो करवाऊंगी और गिव रीज़न करवाऊंगी. ये आपका क्या है? रिवीजन का चैप्टर 1 है सोशल साइंस में. ठीक है, ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और इसे लर्न करना है. थैंक यू.